I'm a postdoc in the particle group here at KIAS, where I spend most of my days thinking about some of the weirdest and smallest things in the universe. My current research field is in astroparticle physics, basically the combination of particle physics, which deals with very tiny quantum realm, and cosmology, which deals with the large-scale structure of the universe. In particular, I work on dark matter and primordial black holes. Dark matter makes up most of the matter in our universe, and primordial black holes is one of the possible candidates for dark matter. I think physics is quite fun. It's a giant puzzle, and there's always plenty of pieces left to figure out. One nice thing about physics is that the methods are applicable to many different subfields in physics, so you never run out of things that you can start thinking about if you get bored of something. Astroparticle physics is studying these very tiny beings that we call particles, and we don't ever get to see them, but we know that they're probably there somehow. And then we try to apply these particles to these very large things like stars and the universe, and we try to see how much connection we can get between these very small things and the very large universe. In high school, I watched Carl Sagan's Cosmos, and I really liked the whole series. So I decided to major in physics going into college. At first, it was quite hard, but after a while, I found out that I was okay enough at it. And I went to grad school, and then I got a postdoc, and then now a second postdoc at KIAS. It's only gotten better and more interesting the more I study it. I often play piano after work, and also I play video games. Now it turns out that many of the video games that I play are very popular in Korea, so it's been very fun playing here. While I commute, I usually listen to either classical music or some random podcasts. It really depends on how much attention I want to pay to what I'm listening to. KIAS is a great place to do research. It has a lot of events where you can discuss difficult problems with other postdocs, and also a very generous research budget, which is very nice to have. So in addition to the close collaboration with other postdocs and professors, along with the nice research budget, KIAS also has very long appointment times compared to other postdocs. So that means that you really get time to think about what you want to do, rather than having to rush and push out papers constantly.